Hi guys, we're at Cockroach Bay Nature Preserve, and it is 10/22/23, October 22nd, 2023, and it's 3:52 at 44 seconds. Let's get started.
Here we go.
So Sunday.
Not that. This is a Hillsborough County Nature Preserve, which you'll notice has no paved trails, no running water, and no restrooms available to use. So they're going to be more primitive than a Hillsborough County Conservation Park, which will have paved trails as well as public restrooms, and you're going to have more people at those, and then you'll also have to pay an entrance fee. So there's two trails out here, red and a blue blaze trail. We're making our way towards the shell mound, where we expect to see a pretty good view of Cockroach Bay. Absolutely.
There's like a abandoned snack thing over here, and I'm gonna see if there's any snacks that
Yep. So what Joshua's talking about is there's a supposedly an abandoned snack shack, if you will, up here. We're gonna investigate that on our adventure here. Looks like we're the only people out here today. Just the way we like it. Nice and quiet.
What's the snack thing?
Getting into prime Florida hiking time right now, and that's gonna start from October and go through April. It's about 4 o'clock now. Humidity is low. So far, bugs don't seem to be a problem, but we are right now all using 40% DEET and trying to keep the legs covered as much as possible. Up here, this is Mount Cockroach, and we spotted the abandoned snack shack. Let's see what that's all about. Some type of road ran through here. I'm gonna guess that was many years ago. All right, guys, so here we are. This is the abandoned snack shack. Let's stay outside for the moment. Not in the best of shape. There appears to be some type of infestation there. Let's back up, guys. Let's back up.
Why?
Those are bees. We don't want to mess with that.
Oh, look! That's like a
Yeah. We don't want to get close to that. This is definitely a hazard here, guys. Keep your distance. Keep your distance. Space out. We don't want to tangle with those. There's a lot of them there. We don't want to get swarmed. One comes at us, they could all come at us. Keep your distance, Joshua. Back up. Interesting structure here from some time long ago. I couldn't find anything on what this may have been or what used to be here, why this is here. Interesting.
And it looks like the road ran.
So here we are. One of our first mountains that we've discovered here in Florida, right, guys?
Yeah, one of the first ones actually.
So we're summiting Mount Cockroach.
Definitely for this type of trail, do not wear tennis shoes.
Absolutely.
They're more like boots. They're like hard around. I got these before we went on Yona. We made a video on that.
You see Zachary decided to don his his hiking boots for this one.
And like, you want boots that are not like, well, obviously not like snow boots that are all soft around. You want things that can like if you're like going through like thick bush, things that like those like those types of leaves are like the thorns. You want ones that can protect your feet, that are hard around, that that don't make your especially in Florida, like you don't want like warm boots in Florida unless it's like 40 degrees or something.
Good advice, Zachary. So here we are, the summit of Mount Cockroach. See St. Pete over there. Tampa Bay.
Whoa, look over there, you can see Tropicana Field. You can see Tropicana
right,
Field from
guys.
over here.
Oh yeah!
So what we're standing on here is a shell mound, and what they think is the Native Americans that lived in this area, the Uzita, as I have read about over here, would build this mound for their chief to live on top of, and then other people would live in the area around this mound. So I'm assuming this is a man-made mound of shells. Interesting. Actually see the sunshine skyway from up here. Not sure if the camera's gonna pick that up. That's Tampa Bay over there.
Look out! There.
Down here? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No.
Yes, you are. Go down here.
Here you go.
Shake back all the way down. Cool.
What is this?
I think they look cockroach pink eggs. What do they look like?
Hang on, we're getting we spoke too soon on the bugs. Notice that I was getting just swarmed. So we stopped, applied our 40% DEET.
What does that even mean?
DEET is a very good bug repeller. That's what we're using. It seems to have solved our problem.
And where
No
can you
bugs
get it?
right now. I bought this mixture of 40% DEET on Amazon.
That's probably.
We also have another insect repellent that I didn't bring because I didn't think bugs would be a problem. Even though I've heard they were a problem out here, but I didn't think it would be this time of the season. But it seemed to be better now.
Oh,
Got to check the map here. Looks like a fork in the road. We'll be back.
This is called Cockroach Bay. Doesn't make sense because we haven't seen a single cockroach. Not a single one.
Yeah. Well, maybe we'll see one.
No, because all the cockroaches that are at our house. They like our house, but we want to kill them.
Just a
It's bad.
bench sitting out here. Looks like the trail goes a little bit this way, guys.
What the?
Whoa, are those cockroaches?
What the heck is that? This ain't no crap.
That's Cockroach Bay.
These are cockroaches? What the? No, they're crabs.
Some of them are fiddler crabs. They all ran away when they saw us.
Those are cockroaches.
No, they aren't. What? No, there's crabs that have one big claw and one little claw.
Burn marks here on this tree. This place is a bug fest. Yeah, with the DEET, they seem to just be kind of swarming us, but we're not getting bit, I don't think. Every once in a while we break into a sprint just to try to get away from them. I think another month when it cools down, this place would be better.
This is what our sprint looks
This
like.
has been the most bugs we've seen in one of these, except for like back a year and a half ago at Dead River State Park. That one had a bug fest. We're making our way, turning around. I don't think we're getting bit, but
Just spray the DEET in the air.
Yeah.
Let's see the buggy.
got the road right here, which of course we're not a big fan of that. Bugs in here are pretty intense. The bugs had to reapply the DEET. Seems to have worked now. We sprayed it on the clothes, on the hats. This would be one that we would definitely be better to do when it cools down in another month. All right, making our way back to the car here. Bugs was the overarching factor at this place today. Pretty much once we got past Mount Cockroach, just overwhelming bugs, mosquitoes. Can't really mitigate them despite our best efforts. We still covered the whole trail, but definitely hit this one when it's below 70. Right, guys?
Definitely.
Joshua?
Can I have my snack now?
Yes. We made it back. Nice park. Just we talked to some locals on the way back, or somebody that comes here a lot. It's been raining a lot around here, so the water drained, and they think that's why a lot of bugs today. Anyways,
please subscribe, like, or comment, and share this video to our channel. And please don't be as mean as that trail was. It was a really mean trail.
just because of all the mosquitoes.
Those bugs were like the worst part of it. Like after the Cockroach Mountain was the worst part.
Yeah, it was intense.
And there
with
was no
mosquitoes.
cockroaches there, so it makes no sense why they named it Cockroach Bay. And we'll see you on the next one.